I'm Jonathan Budner. I manage the sustainability and new construction programs at Southern California Edison. And we're here today talking about the Fortunato remodel, renovation, new construction project in Hermosa Beach. Edison's interested in this project for a number of reasons. The first is, and most importantly, the regulators in California have directed us to facilitate the transformation of the residential construction industry by 2020. All new construction in residential has to be zero net energy, which means that the home generates as much energy as it uses in 1 year. We have 11 years to do that, and we have to start now with projects like Roberts. If we can't do it in Hermosa Beach, where we have this beautiful 72-degree air 6 months of the year, no air conditioning load, and lots of sun, it's not going to happen. So we have to start with low-hanging fruit, with motivated owners like Robert, who are already very efficient in the way that they use energy in their home. And if we can get his house to zero net energy and learn from this experience, we can ultimately, and what we have to do is bring these technologies from early adopters, innovators like Robert and Monica, to the production builders who are churning out hundreds of homes a year. We have to bring down the cost, we have to increase the volume, all that's classic, innovation cycle stuff. But we have to start somewhere, and this is a really good place to start.
That's great. And what do you think about today, in terms of the process of bringing all these people together, the experience of being here today, what did you get out of it?
It always makes a big difference just to walk the site. So it makes a big deal to be here and actually see the house as it is, not just on a map or through some charts, but actually to physically be here, walk on the roof and look at the site. See how the sun moves throughout the day is very important. Number two, I think the first route we had was really more of a brainstorming session and wasn't as focused on an actual plan. This was, we have an actual plan which we have to wrestle with, and you can't write poetry without constraints. So the best solutions come from creative tension with a set of limited circumstances. Rather than having a blue sky budget and anything goes, here we have a real budget, we have a real design, a constrained site that's not ideal, and we have to come up with creative solutions to meet those constrained circumstances.